Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this digital toaster that is good up to 4 slices. It's a 1300 watts power, and it comes with a digital display that you're going to be able to do defrost. You're going to be able to do bagel. You can see the countdown on display. And then with the digital display and a touch panel, you can select if you want it to be a little bit white or just crispy or toasted or extra toasted. So that's really cool. I like it because you can put 4 slices over here. It's a little bit bigger than I thought. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. It's a little bit bigger than I thought, so you need kind of like plan on that if you want to kind of like accommodate it in your kitchen or something like that. But I do like the fact that it's a stainless steel on the outside, so it's super easy to clean. Let's take a closer look. So before I put the slices of bread right here, let me show you another cool thing right here, another good feature. Once that you're done, you can actually use this and clean, kind of like taking care of whatever waste you're gonna have in here, and you can rinse this super nice and easy and just like put it back without any issues. So once you're done, let me show you that you can put the slices here. I'm gonna actually put 3 slices over here. This is a manual toaster, it's not automatic. So once that you're here, and you're gonna see that the bagels, it says that the order of the bagels, how to put it with the rounded part facing out. You can select if you want it to be like not super crispy or just regular or just a tiny bit. Right now I'm gonna put it in that position. I think that's the best one. And you can put bagels, defrost, or reheat. And then the countdown is gonna start, like it's gonna be super nice for you to not to have to pay attention to it. And once it's done, let's check it out. And this is almost done, as you can see over here. Countdown done. And that's it. And you can see how nice this one comes in, kind of like the regular one. It's not super toasted, it's not super crispy, but it's kind of like the same graphic that it was showing before right here. And you can actually cancel it if you want. Let me show you. You can cancel right away, just like that, so you don't have to worry about that if you need to cancel. So I like this one because it's stainless steel. You can actually have the lid to clean it underneath. It comes with up to 4 slices or bagel as well, defrost, reheat, and also the cancel kind of like feature there, and also super easy to clean with the stainless steel. I'll give it a huge thumbs up. I do recommend this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.